parody to You Can Come to Me by Austin and Allie, but ours is called You Can Sneeze the Sheep. When you're alone, driving a car, you need a person to tie his shoes. Someone will help him.
And when he's afraid that he will decay, and he needs a way to come back again, you better help him.
And even when you're sad he dies, try to have some dry eyes. And what's gonna be there when you die? When you die. If you like McDonald's, I'll be your fries. If you don't like fries, I'll be your burger. If you don't like burgers, I will be your drink.